This time we have to solve this formula for n. N is inside of the parentheses, and we have just only one n in this formula, okay? Now, so what we can do over here, please realize that we have 0.2 Ka multiplied to the parentheses. What I'm going to do, I'm going to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to the parentheses. I have 0.2 Ka. 0.2 Ka. Take a look what will happen. This term and this one is going to cancel out. So I'm going to have CD over 0.2 Ka equals n minus 1. I'm looking for n. I don't need 1 on this side because I have subtraction. I have to take this negative 1 and move to the other side. Okay? And I'm going to have CD over 0.2 Ka. Remember, anytime we're moving variable or the number to the other side of the equal sign, we have to change the sign. Okay? Only when at least one of the remaining terms or variables stay on their original positions. So that's why I'm going to have plus 1 equals n. So in other words, I have n equals CD over 0.2 Ka plus 1. Someone is going to ask why I didn't change the sign. Because I took everything from the right side and moved to the left, and everything from the left side moved to the right. Anytime you move everything from left side to the right side and everything from right to the left, you don't change the sign. So this is the solution to my problem.